So really innovative approach. I mean, I could just be here all day just pointing and shooting. It's a development in smartphones. I just get inspired when I see these new takes. If you just pulled this out and started using it, no one would say anything. But then things get very magical as you bang. Look at that with one hand. Oh. Now, you may be seeing me do this and say, oh, Lou, take it easy on the brand new smartphone there. But apparently they tested this to how many swivels? Let me just, 200,000 times, all right? So I'm not gonna hit that in the lifespan of the device. I'm just getting addicted over here with the swiveling and all the rest. But no notch, no cutout, 20.5 by 9 FHD plus OLED. The main screen is a 6.8 inch. The little screen, what they call the second screen, is 3.9 inches. It's also an OLED display with an aspect ratio of 1.15 by 1. So if I go ahead and launch the camera app and switch to the front-facing camera, it's gonna pop up like this, and it is 32 megapixel camera. Beard hair test, here we go, bang. So there you go, you got 32 megapixels to work with, should be sufficient for your variety of selfie. Over here, so once again, I can do the thing that I mentioned as far as having a nice grip for composing my video. Now this gimbal mode, it has a ton of functionality. Boom, left to right, down, up, and the whole thing is gonna work as well to smooth out your video composition.
Unbox Therapy ASMR session. Plastic crinkling. Is this what you came here for? Is this what you came here for?
Check out the mode that I'm in. We've got both our displays open. This is the fancy mode. This is what you would be excited about. And now they have set up app pairs. As you can see down on the bottom here, you may want to launch YouTube at the top and have Chrome going at the bottom over here. You could have your messaging app. You could be reading whatever you want. And then up here at the top, you're just doing the YouTube thing. And maybe you want to search something up. There's been many new episodes. This unlocks your multimedia controls down on the bottom screen. So you don't have to reach up and touch the main display. From here, I can switch to the next video. I can pause the video, play the video, and I can control my volume right here. Futuristic form factor, futuristic form factor. So for example, I'm about to boot into a video game. Whoa. Oh, and this game is actually even optimized where it's showing more of the game up top. Oh. So the top becomes an in-game map. This is kind of just a starting point. You could imagine many apps becoming improved by having a dual display setup, or at least offering slightly more functionality because you have this extra real estate. Listen. So this smartphone, obviously, it's much different. It's a completely new approach. I always appreciate ambition from manufacturers when they don't just do the status quo. Yes, it will work as a standard smartphone in this slab format, but when you pop it open, obviously, you can tell you're dealing with something quite different. Is this going to be the smartphone for everyone? I don't know, but maybe we're looking at the future.